Imagine opening your computer one night, scrolling through random posts, when suddenly you see something strange. Not a meme, not a joke, just a black image of a cicada, and beneath it, a message. Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. No explanation, no links, no context, only a challenge. That single post would ignite one of the greatest digital mysteries in history. A puzzle so complex it spanned continents, used military-grade cryptography, and pushed the limits of human intelligence. This is the story of Cicada 3301. The story begins in January 2012 on an obscure message board called 4chan. Among thousands of chaotic posts, one anonymous user uploaded a simple black image featuring a cicada. The caption read, "Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test." Most people ignored it. Some laughed, but a few curious minds downloaded the image and discovered hidden data inside it using steganography. That hidden message led to another puzzle, then another. Each step required advanced skills in cryptography, programming, philosophy, linguistics, and pattern recognition. It wasn't a game. It felt like a recruitment process. As solvers followed the trail, they encountered Caesar ciphers, book codes, GPS, coordinates, Tor, hidden services, ancient literature references, Mayan numerology, prime numbers. Eventually, coordinates appeared, real-world locations in cities across the globe, from the United States to Poland to Japan to Australia. People physically went outside, searching lampposts and walls. And there, taped in public places, were QR codes bearing the same cicada symbol. Scan one, and the next puzzle unlocked. This was no ordinary internet prank. Someone had planned this meticulously, globally. After weeks of non-stop decoding, only a small group of participants remained. Then, suddenly, those users received private messages. The message simply said, "You have done well. There are no more steps." And just like that, they disappeared. Their accounts went silent. No interviews, no explanations, no leaks. Only one cryptic farewell. "We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us." Who were they? Where did they go? Nobody knows. Just when the world thought it was over, Cicada returned. In 2013, another puzzle appeared, even harder, even deeper. This time, introducing an encrypted book called Liber Primus, Latin for first book. Pages were filled with strange runes, symbols, and poetic verses. To this day, large portions of Liber Primus remain unsolved. In 2014, Cicada posted again. And again, participants vanished after completing the final stages. After that, silence. No official puzzles since. Only echoes.
Theories exploded across the internet. Some believed Cicada was a government agency, possibly recruiting elite cryptographers or cyber operatives. Others suspected intelligence organizations testing talent anonymously. A hacker collective. An underground group searching for like-minded individuals to build a private network. A privacy organization. Many puzzles referenced anonymity and freedom of information, often pointing toward tools created by Tor project. Their messages frequently spoke about privacy, decentralization, and resisting surveillance. An experimental art project. Some argue Cicada was a massive conceptual art piece exploring human curiosity. Something else entirely, a cult, an AI experiment, a psychological study. No theory has ever been confirmed. Cicada never explained themselves. One of the strangest aspects of Cicada 3301 wasn't the puzzles. It was the ideology. Their messages talked about freedom of thought, independence from authority, the danger of centralized power, individual sovereignty. They often quoted ancient philosophers. They rejected fame. They rejected publicity. They rejected attention. They claimed they were not interested in followers, only equals. More than a decade later, people are still working on cicada puzzles. Entire online communities exist solely to decode Liber Primus. New theories appear every year. But here's what makes Cicada different from every other ARG or mystery. No monetization, no merch, no movie deals, no social media accounts, just silence. Whatever Cicada was, they never tried to profit from it. And that makes it terrifying. Only equals. Let's be honest. If Cicada 3301 were just a prank, why go this far? Why involve multiple countries? Why design puzzles that require graduate-level mathematics? Why permanently disappear? And why recruit only a handful of people? Where did those people go? What did they join? Were they hackers, developers, philosophers, something darker? We don't know. And that's the point.
Every January, people watch the internet closely, waiting, refreshing forums, monitoring strange domains, hoping for another cicada to sing. So far, nothing. But if history taught us anything, it's that cicada never announces itself. It simply appears.
Cicada 3301 wasn't just a puzzle. It was a mirror. It showed us how curiosity spreads, how strangers unite, how intelligence hides in silence. And most importantly, it proved that the internet still holds secrets, real ones. Not everything is explained. Not every story has an ending. Some mysteries are meant to stay open. And somewhere out there, someone may still be watching, waiting, for the next mind brave enough to follow the signal.